Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi tutorials. So today in this video we'll calculate quarter end date for each date given in this column. So I have taken 12 dates here from January to December. So I want to display the quarter end date for each date. For example, if I take first 5 2024, that is 5th January. So a quarter end date will be 31st March. And if I take April 9th, quarter end date will be 30th June. So like that, I want to calculate quarter end date for each date here. So let's do with the calculated column. Okay. So it's a quarter end. So before writing a calculated column, I will populate a formula for date for first date of last month of each quarter. Okay guys. So I want to populate a date column for first day of last month of each quarter. Okay, so this I want to do first, then I'll apply end of month formula so that I will get the quarter end date. Okay guys, so first day of last month of each quarter. Okay, so let's see date. So year, month and day it will ask. Year will be my year of date column, right? Year of date column. Then my month will be quarter of date column. Into 3 because I want to calculate the last month of each quarter. Okay, first quarter last month will be March, second quarter last month will be June, third quarter last month will be September, fourth quarter last month will be December. 4 into 3, 12, that is December. Okay guys, and day will be first day, right? So I formed a date column now. Okay, date formula. Then I'll apply end of month formula to this. Okay, end of month after 0 months, right? So it will give me the quarter end date. Okay guys, so let's format this to short date. Okay, so it will display like this. Okay, so first quarter end of quarter date is 31st March, and second quarter end of quarter date is 30th June, and third quarter end of quarter date is September 30th, and last quarter end of quarter date is 31st December. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials for more such amazing DAX videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.